The University of Abuja Teaching Hospital Gwagwalada FCT has honored 80 COVID-19 frontline healthcare workers for their dedication and selfless service in the hospital. Professor Bisala Ekele, Chief Medical Director of the hospital, said the gesture should encourage and prepare member staff for greater tasks in the future.
About this time last year, we gathered to honor and celebrate the 2019 UATH Staff Award winners. We are here today to do same. I will thank God for keeping us alive to witness another celebration. We were within the confines of the auditorium of the post-basic critical care nursing school, but today we are outside under canopies. We sat round tables like families ready to partake in dinner. But today, we sit solo with measured distance between guests. We could recognize one another easily last year, but today we are all masked, not sure who is sitting next to you. All these have happened, no thanks to COVID-19. Mr. Chairman, sir, the first confirmed case of COVID-19 in Nigeria was on 27th of February 2020. And 4 weeks later, FCT Abuja recorded its first case. That was admitted in our hospital, the first and only hospital then in FCT with the capacity to manage COVID-19. It means, for the most part of the year 2020, the hospital, the country, and indeed the world has been battling with the pandemic. As at 1st December 2020, we had managed 330 cases of COVID-19, mostly severe to moderate cases that needed oxygen support. To the glory of God, we have discharged 294 cases, which translates to 92% with 19 mortalities. The 80-man strong frontline health workers that have been working at the treatment and isolation center for more than 9 months deserve our applause.
He applauded donor groups and individuals for their response to COVID-19.
Also worthy of mention is the tremendous support that our isolation center received from individuals and corporate organizations. As at the last count, we had benefited from 72 groups and individuals. But we have decided to single out only 20 for recognition today, while we intend to appreciate the others at a much later date. They also deserve our applause, and please applaud.
2 member staff stood out for their donations.
The staff strength of our hospital is about 1,700. But these 2 staff quietly contributed donations, not only to the hospital, but to the frontline workers. They've told me not to mention their name, but I cannot resist the temptation. And please help me recognize Professor Felicia Anuma, the other person who also said I should not call his name in public, but I'm taking the risk, is Mr. Nympha Zoabon of the Department of Finance. Join us as we celebrate the heroes and heroes of the year 2020.